Hi guys, welcome. We just landed in Bali. We are in a grab car, so it's going to take us an hour to get to Ubud. So come along with us and enjoy the journey. So we are now in Ubud area. So we're still heading out to our Airbnb. Hi guys, welcome to Bali. We just got into our Airbnb, and before we settle down, I want to show you how my Airbnb looks like. My sister is over there. She's enjoying her freshly squeezed orange juice, and I think I'll start with a tour of the outside. So the Airbnb is in a villa, in a private household. So the whole family lives here. So what you see, this is a pool. The outside area has 2 chairs. What I like about it is just the flowers and the greenery on the that's surrounding the pool. And then when you come here, this is the main dining area, sitting area where you can sit and unwind. We have a TV there, a couple of lounge chairs. We have a dining table. Here we have an electric kettle in case you wanted to make some tea. There's a stove there. I don't think we're going to be using that a lot because we want to try the local foods. They have the kitchen, the sink, and they have the refrigerator, and they also have this unit here that has some water. Let's move along to the bedroom. My sister and I will be sharing this room together. It's looks like a king bed. So it's here. There's an outdoor sitting area. Again, I like just it's surrounded by the flowers and plants. So beautiful. Let's go ahead and see where we're going to be sharing. I think this is my favorite place of all in the house. So actually, they have, guess what? An outside shower. So we'll be sharing here and enjoying ourselves. The sink, one thing I can say is definitely very clean. I like the fact that they've provided us with white towels, and everything seems like nice, well taken care of. It smells fresh. So we will be enjoying here for the next 5 days or so. Be calling this home for the next 5 days before we move on to Seminyak. So we're gonna go to Ubud traditional market, get some lunch. So I'll see you in a few when we get to the market. Hey guys, we are now walking to Ubud to check out Ubud traditional market. museum for creative works of the artists. I think it's maybe like galleries, I guess paintings or just artwork. We are here at Ubud Traditional Art Market. Hey guys. So guys, I got a white shirt because I am sweating so much, and I think I prefer the white shirt for me so they don't show all the sweat. I usually get magnets to the places I travel, so we're just checking out the magnets to see which one we like. What about the we're trying to walk to the rice fields. I think there's some. We keep following this road here. So we're gonna go check to see if it's how far it is. It's in about 600 meters, maybe 10 minutes. We don't know yet. Thank you.